One thing to avoid is make sure that your batteries are charged the previous day. I'm saying this because it has happened to me before, and I'm sure it has happened to you before, and everybody else who is in this business of photography. See, what happens is sometimes you forget to charge your batteries, and the wedding day comes and you're supposed to now start taking photos of everybody, and then you realize that your batteries are the juice in your batteries is out. So you don't want to be that guy. Make sure that your batteries are charged. Another mistake to avoid is over editing your images. You don't necessarily, please make sure to not over edit your images. If you take good pictures, you don't need to edit them. There is nothing worse than over editing images that already look nice. Tip number 3 is don't ignore the timeline. Most weddings have planners, people telling you what is happening next. Don't ignore those people. Communicate with them well to make sure that the wedding day is running smoothly. A fourth mistake to avoid is you not being shy as a photographer. So I don't think as a photographer you can really afford to be shy, because you need to direct people to take photos. So you can't afford to be shy. If you are an introvert, learn how to communicate with people, with big crowds, because it's required of you as a photographer to communicate with people, direct them in order for you to take good images. Last tip to avoid is distractions. Avoid getting distracted. Imagine it's time to cut the cake and you are busy chatting it up with someone else. As a photographer, you should be standing where the couple is and be taking pictures when they cut the cake. So you want to be there. Remember what you are being paid to do, what you are there for, and do your job. Yeah, that's 5 tips of mistakes to avoid in your first wedding. That's it in this video. Thank you so much. If you watched this video all the way to the end, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I see you in my next video.